Instant steps, no unnecessary talk. In the first step, open Settings now, choose General. Next, press on About. In the next step, launch Safari. Next, go to the reliable Jailbreak website. Later, get the required file. In the next step, attach iPad to the system. After that, start the Jailbreak software on the system. Then pick the detected device. In the next step, follow the shown steps. Then press Start to initiate the task. Then wait till the process finishes. In the next step, unlock iPad and find the new icon. Next, launch the downloaded Jailbreak app. Later, complete the activation process. You are good to go.